My Tesla accident impacted several areas, and my trust for driving Tesla rock bottomed the first day and went back up after time and some rational thinking. What a beautiful thing to drive. My first reaction was shock and denial. I didn't want to know what happened. I wanted to just continue my daily plan. I went to the beach. The second day, I lost sleep. I was very anxious, very angry with myself and the company. I went online. I went online to look up disasters caused by Tesla, as if that's gonna make me happier. Other people's misery can make some others happy. It didn't work with me. Now the real fun begins with body shop quotes and the insurance maze. It's so difficult. Extremely tired. So I cleaned a little bit. It seems to be a little better. There is always the other side of the coin. I could manage to find positive spins out of an accident. The Porsche and the Mini have a better design above the wheels. I don't know much about cars, as you can see, but I think this is a much better design, cheaper to replace. Enjoy whether it's bad or good.